This accelerator is based on a dataset of the ESG performance of leading organizations in each industry. The executive summary is composed of two main sections. At the top, an overview of ESG performance across regions, industries, and companies. In each data visualization, you can see the evolution of the ESG score over the past years and the value of the selected current year. The color coding indicates whether the change from the previous year is an improvement or not. At the bottom is a deep dive to the main of each ESG pillar. Environment. Average CO2 emissions per million euros of revenue and changes over the years. See below which industries are the best performers and who the leaders and laggards are. Social. What percentage of companies have a social policy? Governance. What is the representation of women on corporate boards? Let's now deep dive into the environmental pillar. From top to bottom. How are our CO2 emissions tracking? Where do we stand on energy use? And where do we stand on waste? But the most powerful information you can gain from this accelerator is benchmarking your organization's ESG performance against industry peers. Select your organization from the drop-down menu at the top right. At the top left, you can see which industry and sub-industry your company belongs to, your overall ESG score, and how it has changed over the last few years. Next, see how your ESG score compares to your direct competitors, and how your ranking has evolved relative to industry peers. Then, what ESG policies are in place at your organization? Finally, some business KPIs with the location of the headquarters, total revenue, and total number of employees of the selected organization. At the bottom, a deep dive into key ESG metrics: CO2 emissions, waste, energy use, and women's empowerment in the organization. At the top, you will find metrics weighted by company revenue, so you can easily compare yourself to other companies, even those of very different sizes. For example, you can see here how much CO2 you emit per million euros of turnover or sales. Next to it, you can see not only how you are trending, but more interestingly, are your results above or below your industry peers? This analysis clearly shows where you should focus your future ESG investments to develop competitive advantage and enhance your brand with investors. See below how you stack up against your industry peers. With a single click, you can also change the perspective and assess the ESG performance of your key competitors. Use this accelerator as a starting point and customize it to meet your specific needs. To learn more, visit us online.